Magang kailan ka?
We
are
The
Coco.
ni
Pili. Did you know that coconut is one of the commodities in the Philippines?
Yes, of course, well, we got the sector called Philippine Coconut Authority. I also know that it's called Tree of Life because it got so many healthy benefits like digestion, weight loss, etc. Right? By the way, where did you get the name Coconut Pili?
Oh, I got the name Coconut Pili from my late grandmother's recipes. And as for our vision mission, our vision is to be the best coconut jam throughout the country. And for our mission is to innovate and introduce the health benefits of the coconut. And also, as you can see, our logo. Our logo has the main ingredient of our product, the coconut. And our sugar substitute, the stevia. And also the nuts, the pili nuts. And for the type of ownership, we choose partnership because it is the most feasible application for our business. And also, not all of us know each other well enough to let one person run the company by itself.
And for our location, we choose the 999 Divisoria Mall, which is located at Tondo, Manila. As we all know, Divisoria is the most well-known place in Manila that can be a great factor in our sales. And for our target market, we plan to win the heart of the students, employees, tourists, and of course the residents or the locals of the area. Based on our survey, most of the customer will be the residents of the Divisoria.
Product description. Our product has its own uniqueness combined with coconut jam, pili nuts, and stevia. If you don't mind, our dear panelists, did you have some idea what is stevia is? Stevia is a zero-calorie that can help you to lower your blood pressure when unconditionally high, also your sugar. And for the strength, our edge into the other sweet spreads is our ingredients, because our product is all organic. Unlike the other spreads, they use too much sweetener and unhealthy ingredients.
For the weakness, since our product is new in the market, people might not notice our product because they're not familiar with our brand, and maybe some consumers already trusted other brands.
Opportunities. We sell our product in a low price and reasonable price. There are some consumers who loves to eat sweets, but they still wants to be healthy. This is our opportunities, since we will providing a healthy spread.
Last is threat. Our threats will be some competitors surrounding us, especially with this kind of product, is well known here.
for our promotional activities. We will be having a free samples, and for our advertisement, we will be using the social media like Facebook and Twitter. These are the examples. And for our organizational chart, it consists of manager or cashier, production, marketing, and cook. The manager and cashier, they will be enforcing the system's policies, procedures, and productivity standards. While the production, they will be managing the overall resources and operations of the company. And the marketing, they will be expanding the solutions and offerings of the company. And the cook, he will be in charge in producing our product.
As for the distribution of products, for store, first, we have a producer, then second is the consumer. And for the consignment, first is the producer, then second is the retailer, and then the consumer.
For the production process, first, we have the acquisition of raw materials. Second is the preparation of raw materials. Then next is the cooking and mixing of ingredients. This is where the process is being made. This is the process where our product is being made, and then next is the packaging, and last is the quality control. It is where our product is being determined if it is going to be ready to sell or rejected. Uniform. For the store uniform, we have decided to put the logo in the back of our polo shirt because we're going to have apron, so a design in front would be unnecessary. And for the lower part, we use jeans. And for the color, we choose black because of its elegance and red because it's attractive.
And for the production uniform, we decided to use the standard chef's uniform with hairnet, cloth shoes, and face mask. And for the color white, it represents the cleanliness.
And next is the layout. As you can see, in the back is the kitchen or the production area, while in the front is going to be the selling area of our product. And here are the pictures, some of the pictures of our soon-to-be kitchen.